Software delivery in 2026 is splitting into two camps. One uses the same engineering practices that worked in 2019, with AI bolted on as a chat tool on the side. The other has rebuilt the entire development process around AI, embedding coding copilots, AI-assisted code review, intelligent testing, and agentic workflows directly into sprint cycles. The first camp talks about AI augmentation. The second actually practices it. So what actually counts as evidence here? Not a successful AI feature build for a client. The engineering process itself changed. First, faster sprint velocity, a measured published number, not a vague claim about AI augmentation. Second, compressed review cycles, AI-assisted code review that's genuinely part of the workflow, not a side tool someone tried once. And third, reduced defect rates, intelligent testing built into delivery with real numbers behind the claim. First up, Inoxoft, headquartered in Newark, Delaware, with European delivery centers. Their key services span AI agent development, custom AI and ML solutions, generative AI development, data science and big data analytics, full-cycle custom software, and AI consulting. The number that matters most, 80% of their ML projects reach production within 3 months, with AI embedded directly into the engineering workflow, measured internally at up to 4 times faster delivery. That's backed by 230-plus delivered projects, 94% client retention, and ISO 27001 and ISO 9001 certification. Minimum project size is $25,000, at $25 to $49 an hour, with a perfect 5.0 on clutch. Best for U.S. companies that need production-grade AI systems, intelligent agents, custom ML, document intelligence, delivered under HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC requirements. Second is Designli, based in the United States. Their key services cover AI-assisted application builds, mobile and custom software development, product design, MVP delivery, and IT strategy. They run a 90-day MVP program where every single line of AI-assisted code gets reviewed by a senior engineer, backed by a perfect 5.0 rating across 79 verified reviews, one of the largest review bases in this category. They also take on rescue work for founders who hit a ceiling with consumer AI coding tools like Bolt or Cursor and need production-grade engineering behind a promising prototype. Minimum project size is $25,000 at $50 to $99 an hour. Best for founder-stage companies validating a first product. Third is Vincit, based in Helsinki, Finland, with a strong U.S. market focus. Their key services include Gen AI-assisted delivery, agentic AI solutions, custom software development, mobile applications, and data and AI services. What stands out is transparency. They've published 20 to 30% coding efficiency gains from Gen AI embedded in their delivery process, with clear internal documentation of how that AI usage actually works, plus agentic systems built for ERP and commerce environments. Minimum project size is $50,000 at $150 to $199 an hour, with a 4.8 on clutch. Best for product teams that want Gen AI integration with measured efficiency gains, and organizations that value being told where AI tooling helps and where it doesn't. Fourth is Atomic Object, based in the United States. Their key services span custom software development, AI integration, embedded systems, full-cycle development, UX, and quality engineering. They're ranked #1 globally by Clutch, with a 100% U.S.-based, full-time team and a senior-only engineering model, no junior staff at all, where AI tooling is used as standard practice by every single engineer on the team. Minimum project size is $50,000 at $100 to $149 an hour, with a 4.9 on clutch across 50 reviews. Best for mid-market and enterprise teams that need senior-only engineering paired with embedded AI tools in the development process. And fifth is TXI, based in the United States. Their key services cover custom software engineering, AI-assisted builds, mobile and web development, product design, and team extension. They bring over 20 years of shipping products with AI tooling embedded right at the sprint level, and they're employee-owned, which tends to come with lower turnover and longer-term thinking, something that matters when you're building systems meant to run for years alongside evolving AI tooling. Minimum project size is $50,000 at $100 to $149 an hour with a 4.9 on clutch. Best for mid-market product teams building AI-native features and founders who need engineering depth paired with AI velocity. Here's the shortlist side by side. Inoxoft and Designli both hold a perfect 5.0 on clutch, with Atomic Object and TXI close behind at 4.9 and Vincit at 4.8. But the real differentiator isn't the rating, it's what each one actually proves. Inoxoft's 80% production rate, Designli's senior-reviewed MVP process, Vincit's published efficiency numbers, Atomic Object's senior-only model, and TXI's 2 decades of employee-owned delivery. So before you sign with anyone claiming AI-assisted delivery, ask for the sprint velocity numbers, ask for the review cycle data, and ask for the defect rates. Firms that actually rebuilt their delivery process around AI have those numbers ready. The ones still talking about AI augmentation usually don't.